Hello friends, today in this video we are going to discuss about decibel scale. We measure decibel scale with reference to some parameter. In this video we are going to discuss sound pressure level, sound power level and sound intensity level. We need to measure various quantities for measurement of sound. One of them is sound pressure. The audible range for sound pressure varies from threshold value 2 into 10 raised to minus 5 Pascal to a value which gives pain while listening is 200 Pascal. Similarly, the sound intensity is another quantity which varies from 10 raised to minus 12 watt per meter square to 1 watt per meter square. So this is very large scale or range that we have to consider for measurement, that is from 10 raised to minus 12 to 1 or say 10 raised to minus 5 to 10 raised to 2. In view of very wide range of sound pressure and intensities, it is customary to describe these quantities through the use of logarithmic scale known as sound level. The advantage of using logarithmic scale is that we are saved from dealing with enormous numbers which might be difficult to manipulate. And also, human ear subjectively judges the relative loudness of two sounds by the ratio of their intensities, which is again a logarithmic behavior. Here we are going to consider log to the base 10. Now there are some basic things that we should know. If we take log of say a to the base a with some power say n, so log of a raised to n to the base a will give you value n. Now here if we consider sound intensity, the sound intensity varies from 10 raised to minus 12 to 1, that is 10 raised to 0. If we take log of this, so log of this to the base 10, 10 raised to minus 12 to log of 10 raised to 0, so this became minus 12 to 0. So this scale reduces just to minus 12 to 0 and it is easy to work. Now let us define decibel. So take any quantity A, it may be sound pressure or it may be a sound intensity, and take another quantity which is a reference quantity. Reference quantity. So that will be A naught. So bell is defined as log to the base 10 of a ratio A to A naught, and just deci means 10 times bell. So decibel is equal to 10 into log to the base 10 of a ratio of a quantity to its reference quantity. So it is denoted like dB and it is with reference to quantity A naught. So here you can see this argument of logarithm is a divided by a naught. So this term a divided by a naught is a dimensionless value. So this decibel indicates how many times this quantity A is greater or less than the reference value. We can describe this decibel in terms of sound power level, sound intensity level and sound pressure level. So sound power level we are going to see now. So what is meant by sound power? It is a acoustic power radiated by a given sound source with respect to international reference 10 raised to minus 12 watt. So this sound power level can be defined as 10 log of ratio of sound power to reference sound power level decibel. So here we are having reference sound power level is equal to 10 raised to minus 12 watt. Now let us see sound intensity level. We call it as SIL. So this sound intensity at a given point in a sound field in a given direction is defined as sound power passing through an area of 1 meter square perpendicular to the given direction at that point. The sound intensity for plane and spherical sound wave propagating in a field free along the direction of wave propagation is given by I is equal to P square divided by rho V, where this P value is root mean square of sound pressure. It is measured in terms of Newton per meter square, and this rho V is called as characteristic impedance of medium. Here this rho indicates density of medium and this V indicates velocity of sound in medium. If we consider air as a medium, then density of air at normal temperature condition is considered as 1.21 kg per meter cube and velocity is considered as 343 meter per second. So this characteristic impedance, that is the multiplication of density and velocity, is 415 kg per meter square. So this decibel for sound intensity level can be defined as Li is equal to 10 log of I to I reference dB. So this log is to the base 10 and it is with reference to I reference value is equal to 10 raised to minus 12 watt per meter square. So if we consider a threshold value, that is I is equal to 10 raised to minus 12 watt per meter square, then it will give Li is equal to 10 log to the base 10 raised to minus 12 divided by 10 raised to minus 12 dB. So it becomes 10 log of 1, so it is 0 decibel. So at a threshold value, the sound intensity is 0 decibel. And at threshold of pen, we will have value of I is equal to 1 watt per meter square. Therefore, the sound intensity level at pen will be 10 log to the base 10 of a ratio 1 divided by 10 raised to minus 12. So this will be 10 log to the base 10 of 10 raised to 12. So 10 into 12, it will be 120 decibel. So here at 120 decibel we will have pen. Now let us see sound pressure level. It is also termed as SPL. So this is the most common decibel scale used and is measured directly on sound level meters. These meters read a time average pressure, that is root mean square value of a sound pressure. The root mean square sound pressure is given in terms of maximum pressure. So this PRMS is equal to maximum value of pressure divided by root 2. As intensity of sound is proportional to square of maximum sound pressure in Newton per meter square, the SPL can be given as 10 to the log to the base 10 of a ratio of square of sound pressure to square of reference sound pressure. So we can write this 2 into 10 log to the base 10 of a ratio P divided by P reference. So this is equal to 20 log 10 of P divided by P reference. Here P reference can be taken as the threshold of hearing pressure, that is 2 into 10 raised to minus 5 Newton per meter square.